stay away from negative people. This is very, very important. Where is a cursor? Yes. So you have to stay away from negative people. This is one of the most important thing I did. Sorry, I did. I used to talk very less, very less. I used to go to the library straight up. I used to not talk to anyone, like even if, because many people didn't give step one in final year. They don't give a step one in final year, right? So they would have been studying for final year exams, and I'm the only one studying for step one. People come and talk to me, then they'll be like, oh, why are you studying for step now? You have to pass your final year exam, you're doing it wrong. I've heard it from other people. Oh, why is Preeti studying for step one right now? It's not the right time. Dude, I know what I'm doing, right? You know what you're doing. Be confident. Be confident in what you're doing, okay? So you have to talk less and work more, okay? That makes sense when you get your results, when you ace your exam. Let's say now it's not score wise in step one, now it's pass or fail. But in step two, yes, when you get a perfect score, when you get a really nice score, this line, talk less, work more, really makes so much sense, okay? And be your own competitors, right? Never ever compare your scores with with that of your friends. Don't even bother to ask them. That's what I was telling. Make sure you don't ask them and they don't ask you. If it motivates you, good. If your friend is really motivating you, please teach her. Let her teach you new things, okay? Yeah, I heard someone tell it motivates me. Rafida tells it motivates me. Yes. So you can teach her new concepts so that she'll teach you new concepts. Even if she doesn't teach you new concepts, if you teach her, you will be really thorough on the concept. Okay. So what's the example that you have written? You're not feeling like it today. So we all have bad days, right? You don't want to do anything. You're really demotivated. You just want to sleep, or you just don't want to do anything. You just don't want to solve problems. What I used to do, I used to push in 5 questions, really do only 5 questions. 1 minute. I like the third point, that be your own competitors. Yes, thank you. Okay, now you don't have to yes, you don't have any motivation to do anything. What I used to do is do 5 questions and see what my mindset for the day is. So I begin with 5 questions, and I'm really slow in reading questions, and I'm like, no, I don't have any motivation today, I can't do it. So it's okay to take a break if you're not near to your exam, okay? If your exam is quite far, it's okay to take a break. Let me know what you guys do as a hobby. Let's keep it interactive. What do you do? What do you do as a hobby? Sing, dancing, playing cricket, guitar, paint, exercise, swim, badminton. Oh my God, there are quite talented people here watching series, playing football. That's great. You all have really positive mindset because you do have hobbies. So people should have hobbies, okay? If you're dancing, singing, I used to dance and sing on the balcony loudly, okay? Listening to music, that's one of my therapy. So cook, I don't cook. This point, cook your favorite dish. I don't cook, but it's for people who love cooking. I've written for them. But the other things, is for me. Go out with your friends, family, TV shows. I really love Office, listening to music, dancing, right? Yeah, you have to take a break. And okay, if you some people will have this mindset. So you take a break and you will be thinking, oh, I'm not studying. So when you're studying, you want to take a break. That's really okay. You can try. You can take a break and then start with 5 questions again. Are you okay with doing 5 questions? then continue. If you're not okay with doing 5 questions after your break, then extend your break. That's a good deal, right? So you what one thing is doing what you like, then second thing is, okay, you are doing what you're liking, but still you're demotivated. What do you do? So you might have to talk to someone you really like. You want to talk to someone and you have to vent it out, what's going on. So I used to vent to my mom. Yeah, you have a favorite person too, so you can vent to your mom, dad, or any family member, sister, brother, and any family member, and or a friend, and you can have a cup of coffee or anything. You can vent it out. Okay, they will listen to you, right? Because you're always there for them when they want. And third one, if you're really bogged upon something very serious, you're having anxiety, depression, you might need a professional help. Please don't ignore that. Ignore your unusual behavior. I think you have studied in psychiatry. You are having difficulty concentrating. You don't want to talk to your friends or family. You don't want to do what you like. Your appetite, sleep, everything is changed. It is reduced, right? You need your professional help, right? Atharva says can't vent out because it makes parents worried. That's true. That's actually true. But if your parents are motivating you, I think that will help, right, Atharva? You can vent it out to your friends. That point, can you vent it out with your friends? I think that works, right? Vanshika says, I feel guilty if I don't study for one day. It's my final 4th year exam. Correct. So when that depends on when you have your step 1, Vanshika. So I know 4th year is hard. I would suggest you to finish your 4th year, and then if it's really near, I would suggest you to finish your 4th year and then go to step 1. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.